why you should be tax exempt for dropshipping. If you're dropshipping on any platform, it is highly recommended, and I highly recommend being tax exempt. In this video, I want to cover what tax exempt is and how it will allow you to make a lot more money. So basically how it works, long story short, is the government likes to get money. And one of the ways they get money is by charging tax, by charging sales tax. And this is, if I go to the grocery store and there's a candy bar for $1 and I go check it out, I don't just pay $1 for that candy bar. I might pay $1.07 or $1.09. Well, why is it that candy bar was $1, but I have to pay this extra 7, 8, 9 cents? What's that about? Well, that 7, 8, 9 cents is tax. It's sales tax that basically goes to the government. And how it works basically in the United States is anytime an item is sold to a customer, there is tax that's put on top of that the government gets, called sales tax. So what we can do is, if we're drop shipping, we are just considered the middle person. See, let's say that I'm drop shipping on Facebook Marketplace. And let's say that I'm drop shipping from Home Depot, which I do. Well, when normal people that buy items from Home Depot, they're an actual customer, right? My dad, he'll go to Home Depot and he'll buy a tool and he'll go home and he'll use that tool to do something around the house. My dad's not planning to sell that tool and make money. My dad's just using that tool for himself. Well, when I'm drop shipping and I'm using Home Depot, I am considered a middle person because I'm going to buy the item from Home Depot. I'm selling that item on Facebook Marketplace, and the customer that buys the item on Facebook Marketplace pays sales tax. So in this scenario where we're drop shipping, we are just a middle person. So we can legally, nothing shady about this, we can legally get tax exempt where we don't have to pay that sales tax. And depending on which state, some states could be 0. Some states though are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think some go up to as high as like 11% sales tax. So if you're not tax exempt and you sell an item in a state that's like 10% sales tax, you have to pay an extra 10% out of your pocket for that item. And if you're drop shipping on Facebook Marketplace and you're doing about 25% profit, which is what I teach and what I recommend, if you're initially getting 25% profit, if you got to pay 10% in sales tax, you go from making 25% profit to 15% profit. That's a big cut into your profit, right? I mean, that's like what, about a third, right? You're losing about a third of money paying sales tax. So what you can do is, on any platform you're drop shipping, it can be Walmart, it can be Zorro, it can be pretty much any platform that you're drop shipping on, you can set up tax exempt inside that account. You set it up inside the account you're drop shipping from. We're not going to set it up on Facebook. We set it up at the company we're buying the items from that we're drop shipping. That will allow you not to pay tax, and the kind of fancy terminology is the tax flows through. So instead of you paying tax, you become tax exempt, and the customer you sell to on Facebook, they're the ones paying tax. And by the way, Facebook collects and remits all taxes for you automatically, which is a big help. There's a lot of benefits of Facebook, people I don't even think realize. So whenever, like you'll see when you sell items on Facebook Marketplace, it'll say, congratulations, you sold the item for $100. The total cost the customer paid was $107.84. That extra $7.84 added onto the item, you don't get that. Facebook doesn't pocket it. Facebook charges that to the customer and then basically sends it to the government and whoever they need to send it to, and they keep track of all that. So because Facebook automatically is already set up where they're going to charge the customer sales tax and they're going to send it to who it needs to be sent to and take care of that, when you buy the item from your dropshipping company, you don't have to pay that sales tax. I would recommend, I mean, you can do whatever you want to do, right? But my recommendation is to get tax exempt on those platforms. Yes, sometimes it can cost a few $100s. If you're in my program, I actually recommend my accountant who will not only do your taxes for you, and she's very good at it, and she's one of the top accountants. She'll set up tax exempt, and she's a lot cheaper than other places. There's places out there that'll do tax exempt for like $700 or $1,000. She'll set up full tax exempt for, I believe she's like $450. So she's a lot. If you're in my program, when you log into the back office, you'll see that I have her contact. You can reach out to her. I have a lot of students that use her. But we look at this as an investment, right? Yes, you're paying the $450 or $500, or worst case is you're paying $700 or $1,000 one time, but then you're fully tax exempt. And every item you buy from your dropshipping company, you won't have to pay sales tax on, and that money can stack up very quickly. So hopefully that clears things up. That is why you should be tax exempt if you're dropshipping. The benefits of it, kind of how it works and how to do it. If you like this video, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to this video and hit the notification button. That way you get updates on any new videos related to Facebook Marketplace dropshipping that you can use to kind of take your business to the next level. And if you like this video, there should be other videos that I'll put here of other things you might want to watch to kind of help you make more money and take your Facebook Marketplace dropshipping business to the next level.